Introducing the MetalPress MDS Series die splitter and tester, featuring this custom-built MDS-4 model. Designed for mold maintenance departments, the MDS-4 provides a safer and faster way to open, rotate, inspect, and test heavy molds. This dual-platen machine supports molds weighing up to 4 metric tons and includes a 2-ton overturn capacity. It delivers controlled mold opening and closing, along with both side flipping for easier maintenance access. This particular MDS-4 includes several custom features, including magnetic die clamping, hydraulic ejector testing, and a dedicated water cooling testing system. Full-size safety light curtains help protect the operator, while a Siemens PLC and HMI provide simple and reliable control. The MetalPress MDS-4 reduces manual handling, improves maintenance efficiency, and helps identify mold issues before they cause production downtime. Learn more about the MDS series at MetalPressMachinery.com.